All right, we got the rotofab. Rotofab is in for cherry limeade. All right, let me get this cut open. All right, what we got here, rotofab. You know, probably what they say is the best cold air intake for your Camaro 6.2. I had one on my other one, so let's see. Here we go. Just the basics. Got your coupler, big boy filter. Got the dry filter at that. What else is in here? Got your tubing. I got the one with the sound tube still connected, not the sound tube delete. Got your bafflers. And your instructions of how it looks. All right, let's get over here. Probably try to get this going, pop this hood. Try this again. I need my keys. All right, here we go. Pop the hood. Let's see what we got going here. All right, so, you know, supposedly they always say the rotofab has gains. But then again, they always say that the stock box has a really good, in most modern cars, they have a really good factory system. So, as you see, I mean, really, it's really similar to the rotofab. So, who knows what the real gains are? Everything is real similar. As far as the tube sizing, it's just more like an open element with the rotofab, but honestly, man, look. Pretty much getting the same size as the factory. But let me take a better look at this so I'll call you back. All right, so let's get a zoom in. This tube, does this look a little bit different?